So in Spark Social, we study about social innovation and social entrepreneurship.
So the Spark Social program for us is a collaboration program from Aurora, from the network. And it's like different universities coming together.
People coming from different fields of knowledge are able to collaborate and join together, join forces to envision solutions.
We have this 1 week sprint and we have like really great input from a lot of speakers from here, from other universities in the network. And then like in teams of 6 people, we're coming together and then basically working out a solution to a topic that we find relevant.
Some people want to contribute to the grand challenges, the global challenges in their own way. Others want to focus on something that is local and closer to them, where they can see the impact.
My group in particular focuses on SDG number 1, which is alleviating extreme poverty.
We, for example, work on something related to food waste management.
Great to think about a project and think very carefully about it and come up with a solution in just 1 week. But more importantly, I think it is about meeting great people.
Bringing together all those people from different places really kind of sparks the kind of creation of new ideas that would not have been created in isolation.
This kind of merging of competencies and skills is aimed to make students aware of their potential to make change for the greater good.
I think social innovation is important because it affects all of us and it affects also us not isolated but as a whole society.
Participating in Spark Social is a great opportunity to not only perhaps analyze problems or even complain about problems, but to really come up with a solution.
I think you get out of this week with a lot of new knowledge and thoughts, and I think that's really great.